The MaxArm Robotic Arm Kit offers a sophisticated link mechanism and inverse kinematics, allowing precise movement across 3 axes, making it an exceptional tool for learning and experimentation. This versatile robotic arm supports multiple control methods including Python and Arduino programming, making it adaptable to various educational purposes. With its support for sensor expansion, the MaxArm encourages users to explore artificial intelligence applications creatively, enhancing its educational value. Equipped with an open-source ESP32 controller, the MaxArm offers extensive connectivity options including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, facilitating advanced wireless data transmission projects. High-performance smart bus servos provide the MaxArm with remarkable accuracy and the ability to handle substantial payloads, thanks to its advanced trajectory planning algorithm. The MaxArm Robotic Arm Kit is a fantastic choice for STEM education, offering a comprehensive starter kit that fosters creativity and technical skill development.